And a day after H.D. Kumaraswamy received flag for violating social distancing norm during his son's wedding, Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has supported his predecessor, saying the wedding ceremony was organized in a simple manner and did not break any lockdown rules. So is this a case of VIPs now protecting each other? Take a look at details in this report.
We feel your rage watching these images of ex-Karnataka Chief Minister Kumaraswamy's son getting married in Bengaluru. But should you really be surprised? Kumaraswamy, former Chief Minister of the state, may now be in the opposition. But is this a case of VIPs protecting each other and issuing special permissions? There are already at least 4 examples of the ruling party either brazenly violating lockdown orders or mocking its own appeals for social distancing, or facilitating VIP movements, or being plain insensitive to those suffering in the state. On March 15th, just after issuing orders restricting large gatherings like weddings, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa himself attended a Belagavi wedding where around 2,000 guests were present. He was accompanied by several BJP leaders. This month, BJP MLA M. Jairam cut a cake to celebrate his birthday with a large crowd of locals in Tumkur. Amazingly, the FIR registered in the case doesn't even name him. And in the latest example of VIP privilege, Andhra MLA Bura Madhusudan Yadav was allowed to travel in a large convoy with 40 family members from Bengaluru to Andhra's Parkasam district. While the family members were turned back, why was such a large convoy allowed to travel 125 kilometers unchecked from Bengaluru to the border? Put these pieces together and you begin to understand why permissions have been so easily granted to the Kumaraswamy family. India Today even confronted H.D. Kumaraswamy on violation of lockdown. He, however, remained brazen.
We have cancelled everything simply in my farmhouse. That is not a public place. 50 acres land, only our blood relations, my brother, sisters, their relations, they have attended.
Even the Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa backed Kumaraswamy's violation, claiming that the wedding was organized in a simple manner and within limits.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನುಮತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಬಂಧು ಬಳಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ತಮ್ಮ ಇತಿಮಿತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಸಹ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
In Karnataka, unless the state cracks down without exception, VVIP privilege under the corona lockdown is a clear case of the powerful facilitating their own. Bureau Report, India Today.
The Mysuru corona mystery has finally been solved. So there was one cluster in Nanjanagood in Mysuru that had turned into a challenge for the administration because they tried hard to identify the source of infection. A total of 46 cases reported in Mysuru were linked to the Jubilant Life Pharmaceutical Company located in the Nanjanagood area. Now, the authorities suspected that the consignment from China could have spread the infection, but they have now confirmed that one of the employees had visited China and that is how likely contracted the virus. However, the pharma company has denied that the employee travelled to China also. The company issued a statement saying none of the employees testing positive travelled overseas in last 6 months. So far, over 1,000 people linked to the pharma company have been placed under quarantine.
This 0% who was infected in this industry had contact with a Chinese person. He had been to China and he had come. To that extent, we are relieved that we know the reason for this. We are ensuring that every person who was in contact with this gentleman, so we are checking everybody
ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಬೇಕಂತ ನನಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 900 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ನೆಗ್ಲಿಜೆನ್ಸಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಅನಾಹುತಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ತಲೆದಂಡ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೂ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಒತ್ತಡ ತಂದರು. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಬಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ದೊಡ್ಡವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.